A new location that's going to be opening on Monday here in Chamblee, Georgia, in a brand new development. What's the name of this development?
Our new development is called Parkview on Peachtree. It's a mixed-use development, businesses, retail, commercial, and apartments, all in one space. It's incredible.
Very cool, very cool. Still got some last-minute things that are being worked on. You know, that's how it goes when you're opening an office here. You got a last-minute scramble. The basic space is ready to go. We've got the IT guys here working in the background, some of the staff setting up some elements here, just kind of giving you a walk around here with Dr. Chris. He's got some accents, some brick wall accents that were added to the space, retail hospitality area, kind of an open exposed ductwork. Here, Chris, tell us a little bit about what's going to be happening in this room here.
In Atlanta Spine and Wellness, we specialize not only in chiropractic, but also spinal correction. Just as if someone were to see an orthodontist to straighten their teeth, as chiropractors, we try to straighten and align the spine from a few different perspectives. So this room here is our primary area for physical rehabilitation, where we retrain muscles and ligaments to retrain and hold the spine where it's supposed to be. So we do that here with our vibratory platforms. We incorporate a lot of pedibond rehabilitation with wobble chairs, repetitive cervical traction units. All very, very good equipment we've used for many, many years to produce excellent.
And into one of the rooms off of...
Yeah, so our rehabilitation space will flow right into our adjusting rooms. So we've got our adjusting tables, our adjusting equipment side by side. We've got two of these rooms. So that myself as the doctor, any other therapist, we can bounce back and forth and treat multiple patients.
So you've got a pocket door in here, I guess, to conserve on door swings, a little more efficiency in the layout of the space.
Yeah, just to help with space and design. That's one thing that CrossFields and Kelly and Scott were able to do for us, is really maximize the space. So they know how big adjusting rooms are supposed to be, how big rehabilitation areas, how much room a wobble chair takes up. They know these types of things, which was very important to us as a potential client. It was very important.
Very cool. And you have two rooms nearly identical here.
We do. Two identical rooms.
So now we're walking back towards the X-ray room.
Yeah. Yeah, we've installed a brand new digital X-ray machine, completely state-of-the-art. It's a fixed X-ray machine. Sometimes chiropractors or doctors want to take X-rays of 40 inches or 72 inches. We take all of ours at 40 inches. And Colin Kelly and Kelly X-ray, they were able to help us with the installation and purchase of the X-ray equipment. It's all laser leveled, fully digital. It's our goal to be able to pull up X-rays anywhere in the office on any computer for education and for the doctor's use as well during the adjustment.
Very nice. So, very nice.
Excellent equipment. Very pleased with it.
So as we walk back out here in the hallway, he's got an upgraded restrooms. He has two restrooms in his facility here.
We do two restrooms side by side, which is pretty standard. We're going to have a mirror that's going to be hung here, custom designed mirror. We've got wainscoting height tiling, porcelain tile that's going around the whole circumference of the space for hygiene and that sort of thing, which is really, really awesome. So another thing we installed here is we installed our own hydration station. You know, guys have always seen the standard countertop level water fountains in the past, but now we have these lower profile ones that doctors want to install, which we do very, very well. So a patient can just walk up and achieve water right out of the unit. It's filtered, it's cold, and it's just a much better way to
and our master control is?
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah, so yeah, this will be the doctor's office. We'll be able to do report of findings in here, you know, consultations and things of that nature, so we can better educate our patients on what we do and how we do it. Very, very unique. Scott was able to custom design millwork for this particular area, so it's commercial grade, very high quality, much better than something you'll find at IKEA or Office Depot. I've made that mistake before. We're not going to make it again. So pay a little bit more and get it done the right way. It's well worth it.
Right. So now as we walk back to the back room here, isolated from the lobby, and the hustle and bustle is a quiet area nested back here that will be used as his massage area.
We will. This is our massage therapy suite, and key features of the massage therapy suite is that we do not have any overhead lighting in this particular space. So when a patient is laying on their stomach or laying on their back, they don't look up into a light and it blinds them in massage therapy. Instead, we have dimmer switches that we've installed, which allow us to dim the lighting to a comfortable setting for the patient, make them much more relaxed, make them much more feel like they're at home. Again, custom storage with the design of the millwork for storage of supplies, towels, blankets and sheets, everything that a massage therapist would need. Or any therapist or any other thing that you might want to put in this room. It can be multi-use, it can be flexible. So very, very unique. And we have a workstation.
It's going to be opening officially.
We
Come Monday morning, 8 o'clock.
Monday morning, 8 a.m.
So I definitely recommend
Yeah.
checking
Yeah.
him out, checking out this space. He's
Stop
in
by.
a brand new development.
Brand new development. Yeah. It's it's called Parkview on Peachtree. We're here in Chamblee, Georgia. Kind of right inside the perimeter, just a couple miles up from the perimeter, I-285. You can find us online at www.atlantaspineandwellness.com. You can find us on Facebook, facebook.com/AtlantaSpineandWellness. We've got some big things planned. We hope to be able to see you soon.
Thank you. Bye.